For the given definition of the function f of x equal to ax, this implies that f of f can be simplified as follows. Therefore, by substituting f of x and f of f into the second-order function equation, becomes a quadratic equation in A for x not equal to 0. Therefore, the quadratic equation is. We then solve the quadratic equation as follows. Therefore the value of A is 1, or equal to minus 1 over 4. Let the function be f of x equal to a, x plus b. Thus, f of f is simplified in terms of a and b as follows. Substituting f of f and f of x in terms of a, b, and x into the given second-order function equation, we have expanding and collecting terms in x. We have to find the values of a and b, we equate the terms in x to 0. This leads to two equations as follows. Solving the quadratic equation yields the values of a as follows. Substituting the values of a into equation 2 yields the values of b as follows. Thus, the function is or